I don't think anyone has saved so many lives as him. Oof. Yeah.
Nils Berlin had worked with aircraft pilot ejector seats and had a concern for human safety.
It was 3 months from his start to they send in the pattern.
Nils Berlin's seatbelt was revolutionary because it had 3 fixed points instead of 2.
Small toy with the egg, and it is very easy to understand.
I find it rather uncomfortable for starters, and
It restricts your desk.
I think it's up to the individual whether he wants to wear it or not.
He was a little bit shy when he talked about it with us. Oh, not a big thing. He had a big heart. He was a kind of Santa, I say. He passed away same morning he get the prize. I was there and take the prize for him and have the speech for him then. It was the hardest thing I've done in my life. Oof. I ended my speech with, "Don't forget to buckle up."